First, click Editor to open the page. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. By zooming in or out, you can view details, or get an overview of the whole picture. Hold down the left mouse button, and drag to pan the view. In the lower right corner of the interface, there is a View Control tool. You can click and drag to rotate the image or switch to 3D mode. You can also simply hold down the right mouse button and drag to rotate the view. The editor consists of 4 main sections: Actions, View, Scene, History. The Actions section includes 6 tools: Roof, Zone, Obstacle, Tree, Modules, and Carport. Select the Roof tool to start drawing the roof. Click anywhere to set the starting point. You'll notice that the line segments automatically align parallel to each other. Helps you draw neat rectangles or custom shapes. Once the roof is drawn, locate the Modules button in the Properties panel on the right and click it, and quickly install solar panels for you. You can select the roof you have drawn, then locate the surface parameter group in the right-hand panel. When you adjust the values, the roof in the view will update in real time. You can quickly generate a more realistic 3D roof surface from a flat rectangle. Click Zone to start drawing a zone. Once you close the zone, the solar panels within that area will be automatically removed by default. If you want to install it separately within this zone only, select the zone you just drew. The system will automatically cover this zone with solar panels. In actual projects, there may be chimneys or equipment areas on the roof. Solar panels do not need to be installed in these locations. At this point, you can use the Obstacle tool to draw. Click Obstacle in the sidebar to start drawing. Once you close the obstacle, you'll immediately see that the solar panels in that area are automatically removed. Select the obstacle area. By adjusting the parameter values for surface in the right-hand panel, the surface texture of the obstacle area can be made to match that of a real roof. If the same obstacle appears multiple times on the roof, there is no need to draw it repeatedly. Click the Copy tool in the left panel. Select the obstacle area you have drawn, then simply copy it to any other location. Click Tree in the toolbar to start drawing. Right-click anywhere to begin. You can zoom in and out on the tree's diameter in real time by moving the mouse. Right-click again to finish drawing. Switch to the appropriate 3D view. Select the tree you just drew. By adjusting the parameters in the upper right corner, you can customize the appearance of the trees. Click Modules in the left-hand sidebar to start drawing. Right-click to set the starting point, then move the mouse. The system starts with a single solar panel. If you are drawing within the roof area, the system automatically enforces boundaries. You can drag it horizontally or vertically. Increase the number of solar panels in real time. Once the number and layout of the solar panel arrays meet the requirements, right-click again. Click to finish drawing. Select the modules group you just drew. You can fine-tune the solar panels within the group. If you need to copy the entire group, simply click the Copy button in the right-hand panel. After selecting the modules group, adjust the parameters in the modules panel on the right. Adjust these values, and the solar panel arrays in the view will update in real time, allowing you to precisely control the layout. Click Carport in the sidebar on the left, then right-click to confirm the starting point. Once you've selected the starting point, move the mouse in any direction. The system will display a real-time preview of the number of solar panels and their orientation. When the horizontal layout meets the requirements, Right-click again to confirm the horizontal section. After confirming the horizontal layout, continue moving the mouse to set the vertical layout. Once you finish drawing, we recommend switching to the 3D view. Then select the carport you just drew. Customize the overall shape of the carport more precisely by adjusting the surface parameters. Click Isometric. Switch to isometric view with one click. Take into account both the top and side views. Click Full Screen. Hide the software interface borders and toolbar. Display the drawing area in full screen. Click High Resolution. Improve the rendering accuracy of the scene. Make textures, shadows, and outlines clearer. Click Roof. In Installation or Solar Access mode, when you hover your mouse over any part of the roof, displays three key percentage metrics: access, potential, and utilization. These three figures help you quantitatively assess the site's photovoltaic potential. Under any of the above analytical models, you can adjust the two sliders at the bottom left of the page. When you change the date or hour, let you see how the lighting changes throughout the seasons, and at different times of day. For modules, there are also view patterns similar to roofs. In Installation or Solar Access mode, when you hover your mouse over any part of the roof, displays three key percentage metrics: access, potential, and utilization. However, this refers to the individual performance of that solar panel. Like roofs, modules also supports adjusting the date and hour in the lower left corner. Monitor changes in sunlight on solar panels in real time across different seasons and times of day. DSM can utilize actual building dimension data released by the government. Automatically align the building model you've created with the actual terrain. When the Hide Textures toggle is turned on, all textures on the model surfaces will be temporarily hidden. Show only solid color materials or wireframes. In the History drop-down panel, every action you take in the editor is recorded. Click Undo once to revert to the previous action. You can click repeatedly to undo step by step. Click Redo to undo the previous action. Throughout the design process, whether it's designing a roof or installing solar panels, or view the installation or solar access analysis chart, you can adjust the date and hour settings in the lower left corner of the page at any time. After making adjustments, the lighting direction and shadow distribution in the scene will be updated immediately in real time. You don't need to exit the current tool or mode. You can preview how lighting will look at different times of the day and throughout the seasons. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.